So today, after work, I went and bought me a new toy. From the old Harbor Freight. Got her unboxed, got her mounted. I'm going to see how it does. And been wanting this because I'm tired of having to readjust my vise every time I want to drill another hole. And I'm going to try some other things with it. So, we'll see how it goes. I did get it unboxed, got the handles put on. The handles are a little chintzy. I'll probably be replacing those. Got all the goop off of it that come in the shipping. Let's see what else. Got everything secured and tightened and re-lubricated. So I'm going to try a little bit of drilling and some other things and see how it does. And yeah, we'll just see how this goes. So we'll do a little bit of drilling. I didn't lay anything out on it or nothing like that. It's a piece of 1-inch 60-61 aluminum. Well, it seemed to work pretty good. Like I said, the little plastic handles are kind of junky on there. I'm probably going to make me another set. Yeah, we'll come back and we're going to try something else. I'm on a CNC wood router. I use up a lot of wood router bits on some light aluminum work, whatnot. And we're going to try a little bit of face milling. I'm probably taking too deep of a cut right now, and the speed's probably not set right and whatnot. But anyhow, we're going to make a pass or two and see what happens. Alright, so I got a piece of I believe it's cold rolled steel thrown in there, and an 1/8 inch 4 flute end mill. It's a Destiny Viper. I use it on the CNC router. So we're going to have that to go, and probably a little bit too deep, but we're going to try it anyway. Probably cutting too fast. I did spray a little bit of lubricant on there though. Bring it in here so let's see what we got. I mean, you're not going to get like perfect results or military spec, aerospace, whatever you want to call it, but you know, if you want a vise that's good for some dual purpose, yeah, I'd have to recommend it. I mean, I think it's an alright vise. I wouldn't be doing no hogging out milling type stuff, nothing like that, but for some small stuff you're wanting to work on, I think it'll do the trick to get by. And seen a few comments where people's like, oh, you and your $100,000 garage. Far from it. This is a CTT 16 12-speed industrial drill press made in Taiwan. I gave $75 for it. The I think after tax $84 vise cost more than the drill press itself. I wouldn't say I got a $100,000 shop. I got a rat's nest, like just a little bit of everything that I've picked up over the years. A lot of stuff's from auctions. It's not like I go out and buy a whole lot of new stuff. Now I'm getting a little bit older. Some bills are paid. You know, I got less responsibilities. I'm able to afford a little bit nicer things now and then, but I don't go out and buy like huge amounts of expensive equipment. I'm just your average Joe making an average wage, and I just like to have some nice things once in a while. And we're talking Harbor Freight here. It's, you know, it's not like a top end brand name Vise or nothing like that. So it took me a little while before I was able to even afford the thing. But yeah, I'd say give it a shot. A lot of people have that I've seen on YouTube. The problem is the dropping out right in here. because the Jacob's check's not a precise method for this anyway. You really need to call it, and I mean, this thing's old. There's a little bit of slop in there, maybe in the table. Nothing's perfect. I don't have it trammed or nothing like that. But for the most part, I found to keep side loading from knocking the chuck out is just simply go up in there with maybe like a brass brush for like cleaning a gun barrel or something, and clean it out real good, and then clean the inside of it out with alcohol so it's dry and there's no oil, grease, or nothing like that. Hit it with an air gun, and take you some fine emery or some fine steel wool and clean your taper up on your chuck or call it itself. Ever since I've done that, not once has this thing ever dropped out, and it can still be easily removed.